Hello YouTube. Today I am going to be showing you how to do this homework 2 problem. We need to prove that pi is equal to 3.14 using MC, and we're to give the confidence interval. So we're going to use MATLAB today for this. So this is the code that we came up for, Jordan and I. Essentially, what we want to do here is randomly generate x's and y's because we are putting our circle equal with a radius of 1. So if you can imagine a graph with a square going from 0, 0 to 1, 1, our circle would be all within that square. So we're randomly generating x's and y's that will be within that square. So we're randomly generating 5,000 points that are up to 1. And then for each of those 5,000 iterations, it uses the equation for a circle. And when we do all of this, this is actually only calculating for a quarter of a circle. So down here when we get to the end, we multiply it by 4. That's why. And then pi ends up being the mean of this equation, the expected value. And then we calculate the confidence intervals, the upper and the lower here. So if we run this, let me get to the right part. Here we go. So pi ends up being 3.1411 according to MATLAB, so with a standard deviation of 0.02. So the upper confidence interval is 3.1426, and the lower confidence interval is 3.1397. So right where we would like to be for this.